this is the area. As you can see, all these were ITs and normal, just normal cars.
People of Zimbabwe, this is very, very heartbreaking. What is heartbreaking here is the fact that there is news, unconfirmed reports that a number of cars, or 70% of the cars that were destined for Zimbabwe or that were supposed to be in Zimbabwe have been burnt to ashes. Some of them, they were not insured. As you know, that when they're in transit, some of them, they are not insured. This is because of an ongoing protest that is by some Tanzanians who feel that the elections that happened, which saw the president, Samia Suluhu, being inaugurated as the president, winning by 98%. So the result is there were about 800 people who passed away because of the protest. And after 800 people have passed away, even the president or the president's representative in the form of the Vice President Chiwenga has also said that this situation needs to be addressed as quickly as possible because it is also affecting innocent Zimbabweans who are working so hard to gather some money so that they can buy these cars, so that they can have mobility. I can start to imagine how it feels. You have maybe fasted, you have saved your money for 3 or a year or whatever long period you have saved, hoping that you are going to buy your first car and only to be destroyed by these protests. And there's no insurance that will get you your money back. How devastating that should be for a family. So I want to hear from you if you are a family member or you're an agent that is part of the clearing of these cars. Kana muripo murukuza kuti izvi zvakaitika kwamuri manga muchiseva mari mota yenyu ichinzi yatosvika paport and yabva yatsva. Please get in touch with us so that we can hear your story and how possibly maybe Zimbabweans can assist your plight. But it is very, very sad. We hope SADC is going to look into the matter and stop the protests because the carnage does not only affect the Tanzanians, it also affects Zambians, DRS, Congolese, and also Zimbabweans and Malawians. And SADC in particular is affected by these protests. But this is the news that we have received, that there is some cars that have been burnt to ashes, reduced to nothing. Let us just watch this video and you can tell us your thoughts in the comments on the numbers that is appearing on the screen. You can WhatsApp your voice note of what has happened in Tanzania. How bad are you affected as an individual because of this fire which is caused by this protest?